Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the headset and putting it explicitly into pairing mode. This is essential. On your iPhone X, open Settings, then Bluetooth, and leave that screen active so devices appear. Make sure your headset has enough battery and sits within a few meters of the phone. Once the headset shows a pairing LED or audible prompt, you'll be ready to select it from the iPhone list. Don't navigate away, because the phone must stay scanning while you proceed. Once the headset appears in other devices, tap its name to pair. You'll hear a confirmation tone. If a PIN prompt appears, enter the device code like 0000 or 1234. This confirms secure pairing. After the connection, go to the Bluetooth device entry and ensure both call audio and media audio are checked so calls and music route correctly. Make sure Do Not Disturb or airplane mode are off, and lock screen permissions won't interrupt the initial handshake. You finish by testing. Place a short call or play audio to confirm microphone and speaker work. If sound is missing, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect the headset. This often clears routing glitches. If that fails, select Forget this device on the iPhone's Bluetooth menu, restart both devices, and repeat pairing. As a final step, check headset firmware or factory reset instructions from the manufacturer. Doing that usually resolves persistent pairing or audio channel problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.